so I did start this video a little different. I'm doing my eyes first and then I'm going to be doing my face makeup after. But for today's back to school makeup look, I'm going to be using the California Love palette by Colourpop, and the first eyeshadow I'll be using on my crease is going to be this eyeshadow called the Bay, and like I said, I'm just placing this all over my crease, and that's the only color I'll be using for this look. I'm also going to be using another color on my eyelid, so technically I'm using two eyeshadows for this look. It's super easy, so I really hope you guys love this makeup tutorial. I know it could be a little too much for some of you, but this is what I would personally do, and I feel like it's actually not too much makeup. Like, it actually looks very natural. Well, I try to keep it as natural as I could. So yeah, I really hope you guys love this back to school makeup. So once I finish with my eyeshadow, I'm going to prime my face, and today I'm using this Strawberry Face Milk by 43 Beauty. I love using this as primer because it really keeps my face very, like, really moisturized, and I love that. And it also smells so good. It literally smells like strawberries. But yeah, I'm just going to be patting this on my skin. For foundation, I'm going to be using my Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, and I'm going to be blending this out with my Rimmel London Beauty Sponge, which I really love. I love the way it applies this foundation. It just makes everything look really soft and natural. And for concealer, I'm also going to be using this one by Nars, and I'm in the shade Custard. And I'm just going to be applying a little bit under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, and on my chin. To set my concealer, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty setting powder, and I'm in the color Butter, and I'm just going to apply this on the areas I apply the concealer. For bronzer today, I'm using the MAC Give Me Sun bronzer, and I'm going to apply this with a T20 brush by the Makeup Shack. For blush, I'm going to be using this one right here. This is from Colourpop and it's from the Strawberry collection as well. Alright, so now for lips, I'm going to be using this Lippie scrub first because my lips are a little crusty. So I'm just going to apply this all over my lips and just scrub it with my finger. I've been so obsessed with this Lippie scrub. It leaves my lips really soft and moisturized, and I love that. I also love the way it smells, and it's only $8, and it's also from Colourpop. So for my lip color, I'm going to be using just a color pencil today because I didn't feel like wearing lipstick, and I love the way this lip liner looks by itself. So this is by Morphe and it's in the shade Honeymoon. So to finish this makeup tutorial, I'm going to be using my all-nighter setting spray by Urban Decay, and I'm going to set my makeup. But once that is done, I am all finished with this back to school makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys loved it, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on my next video.